Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You must stop before you start altering safety systems. Do not proceed unless you understand legal risk. First, confirm local regulations and insurance effects, because removing a limiter can void warranty and break laws. Once you've checked rules, collect the bike service manual, VIN, and a diagnostics reader. Make sure you have contact info for an authorized dealer or certified tuner. If anything looks restricted, pause and choose compliant options. This protects you, the bike, and others on the road. You should prefer legal, certified routes rather than DIY bypasses. Seek a dealer-authorized remap or an OEM-approved performance kit that maintains emissions limits. That way you get documented compliance. Once you choose a shop, ask for proof of certification and a written scope of work, because records matter for insurance and inspections. Make sure the tuner explains how they preserve diagnostic codes and safety features. If the shop refuses to provide documentation, walk away and find one that will. Once work is completed, you must verify safety and legality before regular riding. You perform controlled road tests in a safe area, monitor engine and ABS lights, and confirm emissions compliance. If anything looks off, stop immediately. Keep all documentation, calibration files, invoices, and diagnostic logs in case you need to prove compliance. Troubleshooting tip: if you see persistent fault codes or unstable behavior, revert the unit to stock settings and take the bike back to a certified technician.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.